Hello everybody, welcome! Now today I'm going to make a pizza. I'm going to make a meatball pizza. But I'm going to make a meatball triple decker pizza. Oh yeah! Let me show you what I've got. I'm looking forward to this one. Well, I went up our Aldi's and they had absolutely nothing in, to be honest with you. So I don't know if it was bank holiday or what, so I got myself some meatballs anyway. I was going to make my own, but I thought I'll just buy them instead. Got myself some pizza bases. I've got myself a couple of packs of pizza selection. I've got some bacon larder. I had to get normal grated cheese. I had no mozzarella or nothing in. Nothing at all. And I had no pizza sauce, so I just made my own. Bit of tomato puree and tomato sauce, and I just mixed it all together and job was a good one. So what I'm going to do first, I want to get the oven on, because what I want to do is I want to part bake the bases, because if I'm doing it triple I don't want it flopping, I want it quite hard, but I don't want them cooked all the way through. So I'm going to get the oven on for that first, while that's heating up. Then I want to get the meatballs in a bowl, get some oil on, give them a bit of a season, and we'll fry them up with the bacon first. So let's do that. Right, I'm going to get my hob on as well. Get my pan warmed up, put that on low. Let's get my meatballs in. There's the meatballs. I mean, there was £3.30 I think for 24. So I was going to make my own, but I thought, nah, I'll just buy these. It's just as easy. Let's have a see how many. I'll put 12 in. Wouldn't need all 24, that's for sure. So I'll put 12 in. I'm going to put my bacon larders in with it as well. I'm going to mix it all together. Get all them in there. Get a bit of one spray. Some salt and pepper. Salt, pepper. There we go. And I'll give that a mix. Right, the pot's all hot now, so I'm just going to get all these in. Nice little sizzle, that's a good sign. I'm going to mix it all up together. I'm going to cook it all off. Right, they're all done. Nice and crispy bacon bits. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm going to put all this in there now. I'm going to drain all the excess fat off. There, so you can see. Lovely. Oh yes. Right, now we're going to get the pizza base. I'm going to roll it out. I'm going to cut it in half. 3 of them. That one's a bit wonky, isn't it? Oh yeah, it'll work. It'll work. That can be the middle one. Well, I'm going to get that in the oven for 5 minutes or so just to start it off. And I'm going to build it up. Right, they've had about 5 minutes now just to start going hard. They have. So I'm going to leave them to cool down for a second. I've cut all my things up anyway already. What they're called. Meatballs. Bacon looks lovely. Look at that crispy. So I'll give them a couple of minutes just to cool down a little bit. Then we'll build it. Right, I'm going to build it on here just in case I can't lift it. I'm going to put some tomato base on the bottom first. I'm going to get a bit of cheese. So they have no mozzarella, which is a shame. So I'm just going to use normal. Then I'm going to put a few of these on. Now let's get some meatballs on each one. Get enough one in the middle there. A little bit more mozzarella. Bacon bits. And a bit more cheese. Oh my God, look at the size of that. Now get the middle one on. Will that hold? I think it will. Will it work? I don't know. Will it collapse? Probably. Knowing me. Bacon bits. No, sorry. Mozzarella cheese first. Bacon bits. And a bit more cheese. Look at the size of it. Oh my God. Nice and gently, nice and gently. Bit of cheese. So there's no weight on the top, it's just cheese and bacon bits, that's all. Let me show you the front, what it looks like. Look at that stunner there, look. Look at that pizza. Now I'm going to have to get it in the oven now, so I'm going to have to move all my shelves round. So we'll bring you back when it's done, maybe 10-15 minutes or something. Right, it's ready. Oh, yes. Are you ready for this? Be careful, I don't drop it now. It's quite heavy. Try and turn it round so you can see. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Absolute wow. Let me see if I can get it off without it breaking. What do you think of that then? What do you think? Look at it. Absolutely look at it. It's all together alright. Can I cut it? That's the thing. Can I cut it? Let's have a go. Oh, look at that cheese there, look. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What do you think, people? That is stunning. Absolute stunning. Grilled cheese. Right, let's try and give it a taste test. I don't think I'm going to get my gob around that, do you? Look at it. Look at it. It's absolutely huge. And it stays together, look. That's bang on. Absolutely bang on. Now you seen this pizza? Look at the bacon bits. Oh, let's give it a taste test. It's going to go all over the floor though, isn't it? Mmm. That's lovely. The bottom one's a little bit doughy still. If I'd have done it, maybe pre-baked it another 1 minute, it'd have been perfect. But wow. Absolute wow.
Have a single pizza.
See the size of this?
Wow, that's massive. How did you get your mouth around that?
Look at that.
That looks nice. That looks
Cool,
really
isn't it?
nice. That looks really nice. It smells lovely.
Smells nice, doesn't it? You can't come on because you need your arms.
I'm not coming on.
Yeah. Do you want to try it? Do you want to try
I'll
it
have a
there?
little bite, yeah, I'll have a little
Let
bite.
me cut you a little bit off.
I've got some apples, how long? It smells well nice, making me hungry. I'm not normally hungry this time of day. Oh,
You
pardon me.
got the ladder here as well now. Everyone's coming to get me pizza.
How am I supposed to put my mouth around this?
Big enough. You want a big pizza, son? No? I'm recording in a minute, yeah. Give me 1 minute, mate. What do you think? Nice. Stunner. Absolute stunner. Well, there we go. Triple decker pizza. Meatball pizza. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. I am the Old Food Guy. Till the next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Bye bye. Bit more, bit more. Bye.